You are definitely going to love this baked fish roll. It's super delicious. Let me show you how to make it. Hello my beautiful family members. You all are welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be using some flour. I've sieved my flour already. I have my baking powder, sugar, salt, vanilla flavor, egg, margarine, and some cold water. So the next thing I'll be doing is to combine all my ingredients together. So I add my salt, sugar, and my flavor. So the next thing I'm adding now is my baking powder. You can see the way I measured my baking powder. I leveled it. Then you sieve it. Always sieve your baking powder before adding it to your flour. Then you combine this together. Once that is combined, you add your margarine. Then you start to mix this together. You mix this together and you make sure that everything is well combined together. Look at the texture we have. This is what yours should be looking like. The next thing I'll be adding is my egg. Always make sure you crack your egg in a separate bowl in order to confirm if the egg is still good. Then I'll add my water bit by bit. So I'm just going to mix this together to form a dough. Once my dough is formed, I'm just going to knead it a little bit on my work surface. I'm not going to overwork this dough, just to make sure that everything is well combined to form a perfect dough. And this is what I have. So I'm going to wrap this up with my cling film, then put it in my fridge to allow it to rest. This is my mackerel or Titus fish. So I season it with salt, add some onions and water, and I allow this to cook. So after cooking this is what I have. The next thing I'm doing is that I debone the fish. I make sure that I remove all the bone inside, then I mash it together. And this is what I have. In a pot, I had some vegetable oil. Then I had some onions. I allowed that to fry for a few minutes. After that, I had my fish and allowed this to stir fry. So the next thing I'm adding now is my Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to stir that together. Then I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning. Then I mix everything together and allow this to stir fry. Then I add some shredded carrots to it. Then I mix everything together, allow that to fry for a few minutes. And this is what I have, my filling. This is my fish filling for my fish pie. So the next thing is to get my dough. So I just divide it into two. Then I knead it together so that I'll be able to roll it out very well. So I sprinkle some flour on my work surface, then I roll this out. I roll this out to be very thin. So I'm just trimming off the edges. The next thing I'm adding now is my filling. After adding my filling, I'm going to roll it. You can see the way I'm rolling it. I apply some egg just to use it to seal it up. Then I trim off the excess. So I cut this into my desired size. And this is what I have. Then I arrange this on my baking tray that I line with my baking paper. So I'm going to repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box. Please check. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of this family. I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel. And once you subscribe, please turn on your notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and also leave your comments in the comment section. So after rolling it, this is what I have. So I use my knife to just mark it, then I egg wash it before placing it inside the oven. So I place this inside the oven, then I bake it for about 35 minutes. And then this is what I have. So will you be trying this recipe? Let me know and share your experience with me. So this is my fish roll. My son can't even wait at all. So the next thing that I do is I pack this in a Ziploc bag and I'm going to freeze it. So this is going to be his snacks for school lunch. So till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys, and thank you for watching.